Guys, tara mag-midnight snack with kapamilya. This one is taro with cheesecake, and this one black mamba with cheesecake and mini nips. Ayan, diba? And with french fries, mayonnaise and cheese. Okay, we are four with kapamilya, so my burger, guys. Ayan. Yummy! Kain tayo, guys. Ayan ang aking mga ka-date. My auntie and cousin. Dito lang po yan sa Valenzuela.